It is finally time to remove the xenons from the fog lights on the Audi A4 B8. It has been 5 years of ownership and we are selling the car, so the xenons on the fog lights are not an asset. Here you have a 50-50. On your left you have the xenons, on the right you have the halogen. Overall the xenons were complementing the car very well, and also the xenons were changing the color temperature of the main beam. The xenons were 6000 Kelvin and the main beam should be something like 4300 Kelvin. When both of them were on, the light would go at 5500 Kelvin. So we will need to remove the front grille. I have a screw that was keeping it in place. The way that I am removing this Xenon kit is very similar to what you're gonna do if you want to install a Xenon kit. You have lots of room in the fog light area. Here I have fixed the ballast to the side plastic trim with double-sided sticky tape and a zip tie. I also fabricated, or I made 2 holes to thread the zip tie. It's a very straightforward install. Everything should be connector in connector, and it's not a very complicated install or removal to do. The original bulb was a H11, and soon you'll be able to see how the car looks with the standard halogen lights. So overall it's a very simple procedure, very simple install. Many of you guys, if you have the original trim, you will not have that screw that you have seen me having on the corner bit. The front grille has 2 clips on the top or on the bottom. You need to press on those ones and you'll be able to remove the front grille. Now I'm gonna let you guys watch the video until the end. I hope that this type of content helps. If I forgot something or if you have ideas for future videos, let me know in the comments below, and I'll be seeing you in the next one.